here I will take a text. So we are going to make the text here and try to change the color of the text. So there is a text color. Then move it and align it into the center. We will increase the size of the text. Then we will change the style of it. There is a style we can increase and decrease the bendness there. Shell as well. So rise, inflate here to make it okay. So we will try to make the changes. That's